My name is Mada. I'm studying in PKG. My school name is Shasminamna High School in Channapuravan.
My name is Samad. I am studying in PKG. Our school name is Shamshalimina Group of Institution in Channapuravan.
National symbols.
National symbols.
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion Capital.
National flag.
Tricolor.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka Calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Okay.
National tree.
Banana tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National flag color.
White, green.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Inda, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Pediya, Tamamani, Vaiga, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system. Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatar of Lord Vishnu.
Dashatavara Vishnu, Matsya, Purna, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Five sense organs.
Five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Days of the week.
Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Months of the year.
Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December.
Five oceans.
Five oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Names of Ritus.
Names of Ritus: Vasanta Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Varudha Ritu, Harira Ritu, Amrita Ritu, Mushina Ritu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwija, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Phalguna.
National festivals.
National festivals: January 25th, Republic Day, March 15th, Independence Day, Pratama 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Nadesha Chaturthi, Navratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mogara, Good Friday.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavassa, Manakadinayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Ranchamarode, Kempe Gowda.
30 districts in Karnataka.
Dasi district in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bೀದರ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ, ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿ. Thank you.